Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Maglalaro po tayo naman ng Roblox. I mean, Tokaboka po. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, may Tokaboka po tayo. Avatar World, saka Princess World, na Princess and Love Home. So, at saka Mermaid World. So, Mermaid po. Sa mga Tokaboka po, talaga po. Ano po, nakakamera na po tayo. So, that's why. Ibahin na lang natin yung color na lang. Pwede ka na lang rainbow. O, di ba mo nakakulor tayo. Galing natin. Guys, nagkukulong na tayo kasi natin dito. Hindi naman tayo naglalaro dito. Ay, ang ganda ni guys. Kasi natin. Ay, grabe. Grabe guys. Keep drawing pa tayo dito. Exit. Ay, bumalik tayo. So, hindi talaga ako nagpe-free gift po na pag unang free gift naman kasi nagpe-free gift ako pag matagal na araw na kaya ang ganda ng kotse na yun guys, super cool na makakita kayo. Ang kaganda. Sakit ko sa kotse yun kasi parang body siya na bar. Saka ito nakita ko na yung body ko kaya ayaw ko nito. At saka pala guys, nakasubscribe na po ba kayo? Perfect. Nakasubscribe na po ba kayo guys? Nasayang po kayo ng oras ko pag di kayo nakasubscribe. Nasayang ko yung oras ko. Ano lang po gagawin ko pag mag-subscribe po sa video ko? Diba guys, nakakagalitan sa inyo. Sabi kasi ng o diba guys? Well, trace natin. So, para matrace natin, ganun lang natin siya. Ay, ayoko na pala mag-color. Puro color na lang tayo. At saka wag yun na lang po rinig ko. Ano na lang po yung andun. Bakit na lang kasi may umiyak lang talaga. At saka bakit nagtagal ng loading na to? Saka pag first time lang po ay may watch takin. Subscribe nyo naman po to. Kasi po, first time ko lang talaga po dito. Kahapon lang. At, well, this is taking too long. Ayun. Ito pala ang bahay ko, tsaka mga photoshoot ko, guys. Ay, bakit naalis yung mga pera ko na baon ko sa school? Ito pala yung picture namin ng kaklase ko. Ito po yung picture ko lang talaga po. Saka ito po yung photoshoot ko. Ito po yung graduate ko lang po talaga. Ito po talaga yung graduate ko. At saka ito lang po yung nasa cellphone ko lang po. Ito na lang po masaya ko na araw. Ay, naka guys. Napapagod na ako. Kumuha nga tayo ng gatas para kumain. Sa akin naman ang mag-isaba. Ito na daw si mami, dad. Ay, nagbuling ko na sila. Okay, papalig ko na sila. Si mami sila pa. At saka yung mga buhok nila nag-update na guys. Hindi ko lang po alam kung bakit sila nag-update. Pero hindi talaga sila magkamukha guys. At parang magkamukha lang. Kasi yung yung buhok dito, mukhang hindi nakamukha. Ito din na guys. O, diba guys? Straight na yung buhok niya. Straight na. At saka ready na po yung tatay pumasok ng work. So, para mag-work lang talaga. Okay, mag-work na siya. I'm coming to go work. I didn't want to be late to work. And, so, tingnan na yung ito niya. I didn't really want to late to be work. So I'm gonna go bathroom now and go back now. I really don't wanna be late. And just okay, let's go change now. With my purse here. And wag nyo lang po talk about it kasi po konti lang talaga po yung damit ng tatay. Ano? Ay, tara. Tara-tara lang po kayo dito guys kasi graduate na lang po kasi na lumalabo kasi yung picture kaya ganito lang po talaga at saka ganito po yung una. Perfect po. I'm coming to go but now I don't wanna be late. Okay daw, so makakain na daw ako ng favorite ko daw food. Magsa-face mask po na tayo. Ano lang po talaga, manonood daw ako sa cellphone ko daw na to. Ito lang po guys, may dalawa akong iPad dito, tsaka dalawang cellphone din po. So, una ko lang po kukunin ang dami dito, diba guys? Pag may nakikita ko yung dami po, diba? Ito ang nakakita. Nakikita nyo na hindi nyo talaga makita, pero okay, ito din yung pipiliin ko. I'm gonna just choose this pan. What cake? Because it looks yummy and good and super yummy. And I didn't want to go here myself that I'm hungry again. So I think I didn't want to really be hungry. So I think we're gonna just eat some what a yummy food. Because I just wanted for the burger food or something guys. Comment down below na lang po. Tsaka babasahin ko na lang po itong laro na to. Ano naman po yung gusto ng laro na naman? Trip nyo na naman ba guys? Or di ba yung trip? Ako si trip ko lang talaga kumain ng ganito kasarap na pagkain eh. Guys, huwag na lang po isipin yung lechon kaya kakainin kaya natin. Hindi ko sure kung masarap yung lechon guys. So, alam niyo po kung paano siya ayos, ganito lang po, tsaka yung chicken na to po guys. Pag naghalo natin, pagiging ganito po siya guys. Ay, natapon natin! Hay, naku guys. Mag-tutorial po na tayo ng lechon guys. Tuturuan ko lang talaga kayo. Ayoko talaga. Pero gagawin natin siya. Lechon rainbow. We're gonna choose here guys. Ito na lang pink na to. Ay, parang gusto ko orange kasi lechon pagluto na siya. Orange siya. Malulusong tayo dito lahat guys. Alam ko lang talaga na malulusong tayo dito. Tama ba ako guys? Wag na lang kaya tayo. Wag na lang. O diba guys? Tama talaga tayo. Gumagaling na talaga tayo mag-vlog. As least first time ko ito maging work. Pero paggabi na di na tayo matatapos guys. Kasi ay kagad lang pala talaga. Trip ko lang talaga mag-drawing ng ganito. So ay! Ito lang kasi talaga yung at saka talaga naka-record tayo. So ayun talaga maging maingay ngayong araw kasi magiging bati tayo dito. And gusto ko lang talaga dito kasi masaya tayo. Tsaka natin. Oh my god, quickly, I'm gonna be late again. Okay, let's get this steel stuff and go in my room. Oh no, I forgot my phone to ready because I come to go work and I forget to fix my phone again. Bro, I always forget it. Okay, let's just fix it. Hey guys, look, Chidi. Why you late? We already coming here all and you're already late. I'm so sorry. And you didn't even read your own real job. Can you just be ready already or something? So I'm so sorry. Just please. Okay, that's okay, that's fine. Okay. And let's just clean this in the lavabo that I have it. So I don't talk about kung bakit may lavabo pa. Saka dito lang po talaga nakakalagay yung mga baon ko po guys. So, mga baon ko lang po talaga. Lagi ko lang po yung mga baon dito. So, makalit talaga ito dati. So, let's just clean it. There we are. Hi guys, di ko na nakukuha. Sige na nga babaguhin ko siya guys. So, recording po kasi guys. Kasi ma-relate na po kasi yung tatay. So, they're already coming to be late. So, I just always forget it. Okay, and now, we're gonna let this girl to change the old dress. This really old dress again. Oh my god, I hate this dress, but I'd never dress this one, so I will just gonna dress him today. I didn't mean to that I'm gonna be late in work. Yeah, just fasted. Okay, fine. What? I'm gonna go study flying. Okay, guys, bye. Oh my god, shit. I really need to go be late. Wait! But I guess the main thing to just talk about making work. And they're coming to go right now. Oh, that's definitely going in right now. Definitely so much good. There's a layer. Like oh my god, this fluffy bird is so fun. That's why never play. I just never stop playing Fluffy Bird. It's not. Fluffy Bird is always my favorite. And I don't know why I like it, but it's gonna quarter like it. Baby. I'm gonna put a lot because it's so thick. And don't talk about why the picture is already now. Hey guys, why you calling me? I'm busy in Fluffy Bird. What now? We played sleepover. What? Bro, I didn't need sleepover. Mom got mad at me and I go sleepover. Just gonna quit. Really? Already done. Let's just get flip now. I think we need to dress up my pajama now. And then that's left in night time. Okay, God, I have more time. I just didn't want to be late over today. Okay, hi honey, I'm finally here. Hi. What are we doing? We didn't have food. What did you say I didn't buy food again? Oh, I didn't need to. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm coming to go sleep now. Guys, babay na po. Sigurado po kayo nakasubscribe na po kayo para po masama na po kayo sa akin. So, sa YouTube channel ko lang po, tapos na po tayo mag-vlog.